Good morning, Standard 5 students. Today in this class we will discuss about sedimentary rocks. So let us see about the sedimentary rocks in this chapter. 6 rocks. So first of all we will discuss about sedimentary rocks. What are sedimentary rocks? Sedimentary rocks are types of rocks that are formed by the deposition of sediments, that is small particles, and cementation of mineral or organic matter on the floor of oceans or other bodies of water at Earth's surface. As layers of sediment build up over thousands of years, they get compressed and form solid sedimentary rocks. That means the sediments are formed, from the name suggests that it is formed from the sediments, and sediments are deposited by the water bodies, and it is deposited layer by layer. So over thousands of years these layers build up and it is compressed under the high pressure and heat of the earth's surface, and it becomes solid rocks. So let us see formation of sedimentary rocks. In this picture you can see some sedimentary rocks are shown here, and the layers of sediments you can see. Formation of sedimentary rocks you can see under the sea: mudstone, siltstone, limestone, sandstone, and conglomerate. These are according to the layers of sediments. So heavier particles settle at the bottom, and according to the size of the particles the layers are formed. So let us see about other things. Weathering. So what is weathering and how the sediments are formed? It is important to know about sedimentary rock. What is weathering? Earth's surface is always changing, and weather conditions like the rain and snow and water break away rocks. This is known as weathering. That means due to the high heat, temperature, and rain and snow, the temperature changes. So suddenly heat and suddenly temperature falls down and becomes high and low, and rain is also falling on the earth's rocks. So these rocks breaks down slowly and they forms small particles known as weathering. So let us see about the sediments. Rivers and streams carry these all tiny particles of rocks that breaks down due to weathering. Pebbles, gravel, sand, clay are dissolved in minerals with them. These particles make a layer at the bottom of the rivers and streams. This settled matter is called sediment. That means the rocks breaks down due to weathering, and these particles, different sizes of particles called pebbles, gravel, sand, and clay, these are carried by the water bodies, and they are deposited under the rivers and streams, at the bottom of the rivers and streams, and they form sedimentary rock. You can see the process of sedimentary rock. First the sediments are brought up by the river, and according to the size of the sediments they settle at the bottom of the water bodies, and there is a compaction. That means the particles come together under the pressure of the earth upper surface, and after that small particles cement these all big particles, and they together after thousands of years they are cemented together and they solidify to form sedimentary rock. So types of sedimentary rocks also we will discuss in this class. Sedimentary rocks can be put into groups according to the way they are created and the size of the fragments that they contain. That means according to the size of the particles also sedimentary rocks can be classified into many groups. So let us see one by one them. Conglomerate. Conglomerate rock of uneven texture. It is made up of pebbles and gravel cemented together by minerals and sand and carried by water. That means conglomerate rock is uneven. It has big particles, it has pebbles also, and more bigger particles, gravel also, and they are cemented by smaller particles of sand and minerals also. So conglomerate is found mostly in the shades of grey and orange. It is used as ornamental rock, and for polishing ornaments also it is used. Now next we will see the picture of conglomerate rock. You can see the picture. So many types, different types of fragments of particles are cemented together in this rock. This is called conglomerate. Now let us see shale. Shale is another type of sedimentary rocks, but it is made up of fine grains of clay and mud, which consists of very fine particles. So unlike conglomerate, it has very fine particles of fragments of rock particles of weathered rock piled up in layers. So layer of fine particles piled up to form shale. It is used for making bricks, tiles, etc. It is a smooth rock because it is made up of fine particles. You can see the shale so smooth and so fine particles are cemented together in this rock. Now next rock is sandstone. As the name suggests, it contains more amount of sand in it. Sandstone is a sedimentary rock composed mainly of sand, As the name is given, sandstone. It is made up of sand grains cemented together into a rock. All the sand grains under the high pressure of the earth's surface, it cements together. It takes thousands of years to form, and it is cemented together in long run. It mostly contains grains of minerals. It is red, pink, yellow and brown in color. It is often used as building stone. The Red Fort and Jama Masjid in Delhi are built with sandstone. Before the people were using sandstone, most of the houses in Rajasthan also is made up of pink sandstone. That's why it is known as Pink City. And the Red Fort is red sandstone, and Jama Masjid in Delhi is also built with sandstone. Quartz is the main mineral found in the sandstone. Quartz is the mineral that is found in the sandstone. So let us see about next the picture of sandstone. You can see how many fine grains of sand are cemented together in this rock. Next we will know about quartz. What is quartz? It is the most common mineral on the earth. It is also known as rock crystal. You can see it is shiny like glass. It is glass like shiny material, and it is mostly present in the sandstone. Sandstone is rich in quartz. Now next stone is limestone. As the name said, it mostly contains calcium carbonate. So limestone is also a sedimentary rock composed of primarily of calcium carbonate. It is lime. CaO is calcium oxide is lime, and it is the combination that is calcium carbonate in the form of mineral calcite. The mineral present in limestone is called calcite, as the name is coming from calcium. It most commonly forms in clear, warm, shallow marine waters because it is made up of the shell of the marine creatures. It is usually an organic sedimentary rock that forms from the accumulation of shell, coral, algae and fecal debris. That means from the mostly it is calcium and is formed from the shell of the marine creatures like corals, algae and all these accumulation of their shells form this calcium carbonate rich limestone. So thank you student. We will meet in the next class again. Thank you all of you.